But perhaps one of the moving things is that when I made a state visit to South Africa, when the change had taken place and democracy had been established, and I got this piece of rock from Robben Island, where Mandela had been in jail for many, many years. And I just got it back because I had given it to an exhibition in the Presidential Museum, because we had an exhibition about the old presidents, and I got it back yesterday to my office, because it always reminds me, I want to see it every day, because it reminds me, and I want my visitors to see it, because it reminds, it's like a symbol that change is possible. Nothing is impossible, and I think in my eyes, Mr. Mandela is an example actually of that despite all the problems he faced and was made to face, there's no bitterness in him. I think it's a remarkable, people ask, who do you respect? I only mention him because being born in a very democratic society, we don't look up to people that much. We see each other very equal in a democratic and small country. But he is a special case in the world, and I hope that he lives long, because we need the wisdom that he has.